What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how we can vectorize any logo from PNG or JPG. In this video I'm going to use this PNG image. I'm going to show you that is PNG image, a transparent image, and I want to make this image into a vector high quality file, because most of the time you will see different types of clients comes to you and they will come to you to make a higher version of the logo, because if you increase the size of it, it will lose the quality of the logo. So most of the cases, people or different type of clients want to make their logo higher versions, and the designer may not give them the higher version of the logo because they gave him or her the lower version of the logo. So most of the cases you will see there are different types of clients come to you to make higher version or vector version of the logo. So this is going to be an amazing video, and it will not be a longer video, it will be a short and sweet video. Hopefully you will like this. Let's jump right into it. So first of all, I just want to make sure that I have the color palette ready to use, so if I need in the future to use the color. So first of all, I just want to select this tool, rectangle tool, and click and drag by pressing shift key from a keyboard. Okay, now I need to click and drag pressing alt key from a keyboard to duplicate it. So now you are seeing there are two different color used to this logo. So this one, and we can use another one that already have is white, so I want to keep it white as well. So first of all, I just want to click this color and choose this color as an extra, so click on it, and now from eyedropper tool you can select this one. First of all, you need to click the shape where you want to bring the color, so then go to the tool panel from eyedropper tool and select on it. Now I want to select and another color and pick the another color, and that is, you see, this is the another color that is used for the logo. And for you I want to ensure that this is a real client project, and this is the small project that I am using to show you the exactly what generally people need, what generally client ask for. Okay, so this is okay. Now I have the logo and I want to make it vector right now. Okay, first of all, then click it and you will see the unembedded option over there. So when you are using first time the PNG or JPG logo, you will see that embed option. You need to click on embed options, then it will be embedded. Then now, as I already embedded this one, it is unembedded. Okay, now select this one and I will go to these options, the image trace options. There is a drop down options here, tracking tracing preset, so click on it. Now there are a bunch of options: default, high fidelity photo, low fidelity photo, 3 colors, 6 colors, 16 colors. The bunch of options you will see, so you need to choose whatever the best works for you. For this one I will choose high fidelity photo because it will not and tap job for me to do that with these options, and sometimes high fidelity photo will not work, low fidelity will not work, so you will need to play with all the steps, whatever you like and whatever works for you. So just need to select that one for you. Okay, just click on it, high fidelity photo. Let's see what is happening. Okay, click on it. It's the processing systems, initial pixel clustering processing system. It's taking a little bit time. It will take less time if you have high configured computer. Okay, so it's okay. Now I need to go to the tracing result options here. So how you want to show or how we want to bring the result. So tracing result with outline, just outlines with source image or source image. So this is very common to use tracing result with outline. Okay, click on it. Now you are seeing there are selection options over the logo, outside of the logo. Now you need to just click on expand. Okay, expand. Okay, it's now the vector logo. If you check this one, okay, select this one, you can select this one, and you can use any color, different color, whatever you want, and you can choose this one or whatever color is you want. So you can edit every part of the logo, understand? Okay, this way you can make any JPG or PNG logo into vector or high quality logo, and you may need to do some editing or some extra editing to the logos. Sometimes you may lose the quality or lose the carving options. You may need to work on these curves. Okay, these curves you need to adjust, and it will be done manually. Sometimes Illustrator will not bring 100% result, so in that case you will need to work on that, and you will need to work on the process how we can make the logo 100% workable and 100% accurate, because most of the cases Illustrator will not make the 100% quality or 100% accurate the way logo was, so you need to work on it. So this way you can do that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hopefully we will bring more videos and tips and tricks that will definitely help you as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.